Is your Epson Ecotank printer printing out the wrong colors? Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I've got the Epson Ecotank, and you can see here it's the ET2850, and up until last week this thing was a beast. I have printed out thousands and thousands of photo paper images, black and white. It definitely does live up to its name. And so I was trying to print out a photo of the Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis. The photo doesn't usually look like this. You can see it's just all green, right? And you can see the quality of the print is good. And if you look at the ink levels, it's still going on. And so when this printed out, the first thing I thought was, okay, you know, is one of the ink gone? Is one of the colors gone? And I checked, it's all good. And so I was wondering how to fix this problem and to go from this to what it was supposed to be, which was this. This is what it was originally supposed to print out as. This is what it started off as. And this is what it became. Amazing photo. So let me show you how to fix this if you're having the same issue. So because the ink levels, black and white, yellow, magenta, and cyan still had ink, I'm like, something must be clogged or something. So I wanted to do a cleaning. I'll show you how to run the cleaning in just a second here, but here's what happened. I ran the cleaning on here, which I'm about to show you, and notice this right away. You can see here right away, there's yellow, there's definitely the black color, yellow, and then there's blue, which is the cyan, but there's no magenta, which is like that pinky color, right? This was the first one. 1, 2. Now you can see on the second time, there's like a smidge that showed up. So I knew we were making a breakthrough. So it was 2. This is the third one. You can see, okay, now it's really starting to show here. And then the fourth time was when it actually came back. The magenta color came back, and it was likely clogged, and you know, whatever's going on in the ink. So this is what it started off as, and this is what it ended as. And you can see a huge difference in the photos. So let me show you how to run that cleaning. So when you're here on the main menu, you want to just click the right arrow here and go to settings, click OK. And then from here in maintenance, you want to click OK. And then from here, you want to go to head cleaning and then click OK. Then click OK again to proceed. And then you want to click this button right here to start. All right, so here's what we got printed out. You can see that everything looks nice and good. And it's asking you, are there any missing segments? And so when I was going through that previous cycle where there were missing segments, I would click yes, and then I would just keep going and keep going until there was no missing segments, and it took me 4 times. So in this case, I'm gonna say no, it's all good, and we're back to normal. So that is how I was able to fix the issue of, you know, it printing the completely wrong colors here for my photo and looking like this, which is way better. Hopefully this helps you with your Epson Ecotank. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.